Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I have not been around for a while. I've been doing a lot of short videos lately, but you guys have been asking for me to do an eyebrow tutorial, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know what I do. And I'm sorry about my pimple breaking out. Okay, so I have really bushy eyebrows. As you can see, they go from here all the way down and up here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I have really hairy eyebrows, thick. So I like to first go ahead and use this Revolution Makeup Revolution London, and this is a soap brow. This is the one that I use. I actually almost running out of it, and I always carry about 3 of these because this is my favorite one. This is the one that works for me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know what I really like to do, and this is actually my favorite one. I've bought so many of these. I love them, and it's much easier. You don't have to use all of this soap and all of that. I really just think that I don't even spray it with anything. I just use it like so. And this brush here is from Morphe. It's a Morphe little brush. I love this little brush. It's really strong and I've had it for a really long time. So this helps me lift up all my eyebrow, and I love to use this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it so you guys can see what I do. This is my face right now. I have no makeup on, nothing on. I have no makeup on. I have nothing at all. Okay. The first thing that I do is I grab my Revolution London soap brow and this right here first. Okay. I don't use any mist or water, and I just go ahead and do this. Okay, grab as much product, not as much, not too much, just as much as you think you want, how you want your eyebrow to look. And I haven't done anything to it, so do my eyebrows. For those that really wanted to know, I really have bushy eyebrows, so if you don't, you could go ahead and fill it up. It depends on how you want it, but this is how I want mine. I usually measure them like this, and yep, everything is where it needs to be, so they kind of look a little more even. And that's pretty much it. It's a brow gel, and I'm just go ahead and put it on so everything stays how I want it. I usually put this through the whole eyebrow, okay? And I'm gonna do this too on this side, just so all the hair stays in place, okay? And this is by BDB, Billion Dollar Brows. If you were asking, I will put everything down the link so you guys can find these products that I used today for my eyebrows. Okay, so this is how it looks. If you just want to go ahead and keep it like this, I usually keep it like this. It's my natural way of, you know, my natural eyebrows. Okay, so this is how I do my eyebrows. I hope you guys like it. If you guys want anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and leave me a message and let me know what else you guys would like to watch. Okay, so if you want to watch my next video where I do my eyelashes, just go to the next video. And this is just a really short video to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows before I put in any of my makeup as well, because I just feel like it's easier, and I will make a big huge mess. Okay, so this is how they look. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe down below and leave me a message. Okay, bye guys.